Hi, sir. How are you?
Hi, Steward. I am fine. What about you?
Sir, I am here today because I want to discuss something about computer.
Ooh, computer. Interesting. So tell me what you want to know about computer?
Sir, basically I have some questions that I want to ask you.
Yeah! Sure, why not?
Sir, I want to know that what is computer?
So, a computer is an electronic machine that can solve different problems, process data, store and retrieve data, and perform calculations faster and efficiently than humans. Furthermore, a computer is a programmed device with a set of instructions to perform specific tasks and generate results at a very high speed.
Thank you so much, sir. I will write the definition of computer and will try to understand more about computer. And if you guys also want to ask any question to sir, please drop in the comments below. We will give you an appropriate answer.
Also subscribe our YouTube channel Softech Mentor by Techno Solutions.